Hello friends, welcome to your own YouTube channel Solution for All. Friends, in my neighborhood there are two children. First one is Jeba and second one is Jay. Jeba is good in tennis and Jay is good in cricket. So they both want to take training from trainers. Both go to trainer. Jeba goes to that tennis trainer and Jay goes to that cricket trainer. So the trainer of Jeba tells her that you can join the class from 2nd of the month and in every second day you have to come to the class. So Jeba reaches to her house and then she puts a circle on a calendar. So calendar of this month is like this. So Jeba's trainer tells that you have to join the class from 2nd of the month. So she made a circle here, and then after every second day she has to come. So she made circle of 4, then second day 6, then 8, then 10, then 12, then 14, then 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28 and 30. By this way, she put circle. Now turn is Jay. So Jay's trainer tells him that you have to join class from the 3rd of the month and every 3rd day you have to come for training. So Jay also started making square in same calendar. So Jay joined from 3rd, then after third day, that is 6, then 9, then 12, then 15, then 18, then 21, then 24, then 27 and then 30. By this way, both Jay and Jeba put circle and square on calendar. Fine. So now observe these numbers. Days circled by Jeba are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 24, 26, 28 and 30, and days squared. Days squared by J are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Fine. So days circled by Jeba are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28 and 30. Days squared by J are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Now just observe these numbers. Can you say these numbers are just come in the table of 2? This is table of 2. Can you say this is table of 2? And when we talk about this, can we say this is table of 3? Fine. We can say that 2, 4, 6, 8, these are table of 2 and 3, 6, 9, 12, these are table of 3. So the table of 2, another name of table of 2 is multiples of 2. We can say this as, these are multiples of 2. Fine. These are multiples of 2, and table of 3, another name is multiples of 3. Fine. Now observe here, this 6 is present in both table. Now 12 is present in both table. Now 18 is present in both table. 24 is present in both table, and 30 is present in both table. So these are the numbers 6, 12, 18, 24 and 30. These are the numbers that are present in the table of 2 and table of 3, means these are the multiples of 2 as well as multiples of 3. So this is called common multiple. This is called common multiples of 2 and 3. Why they are called common multiples? Because they are present in multiple of 2 as well as multiple of 3. So these are called common multiples of 3. Fine. So we knew right now what are the multiples. Multiples are nothing, just the table of particular number. Multiples of 2 means table of 2. Multiples of 3 means table of 3. Multiples of 5 means table of 5. And when we are talking about common multiple, like common multiples of 2 and 3, means whatever number is common, both present in both table, both multiple, they are called common multiples. So common multiples are here. Common multiples of 2 and 3 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. These all are common multiples. Yes, now we want to write the multiples in a picture format. So how can we write? We have made two circles and one circle is overlapping on other, means that this part is common part, common area. So this common area will be for common multiple, and this area will be multiples of 2. This area will be multiples of 3, and this area will be common multiples of 2 and 3. Fine. So multiples of 2, 4. Now 6 is common multiple, so 6 will come here. Now 8, 10, 12 is common multiple, come here. Then 14, 16, 18 is common multiple, then 20, then 22, then 24 is common multiple, then 26, then 28 and 30 is again common multiple. Fine. Here 3, 6 done, then 9, 12 done, then 15, 18 done, then 21, 24 done, then 27, then 30 done. So this is the multiple of, these are the multiples of 2, these are the multiples of 3, and this part is the common multiple of 2 and 3. Means if you check this full circle, you will get multiples of 2. If you check this full circle, this contains multiples of 3, and if you check this common part contains multiples of 2 and 3, means common multiples of 2 and 3. So in this video we understood about what is multiple, what are the multiples of a number, and what are the common multiples of two numbers. Fine. So I hope you all understood and enjoyed, children. Thank you so much.